Welcome to Sigma Investing Hub. In this episode, we'll explore Palantir Technologies Incorporated, PLTR, and its share price. Let's dive right in. As of latest market close, Palantir Technologies stock is trading at $14.88 per share. Palantir Technologies, a data analytics and software company, has garnered significant attention from investors. Today, we'll analyze its share price to provide insights into its recent performance and potential future outlook. To kick things off, let's conduct a technical analysis of PLTR's share price. Over the past year, PLTR has experienced notable price movements. Let's delve into the key technical indicators to better understand its trajectory. Chart patterns can offer valuable insights. Recently, PLTR's stock displayed a head and shoulders pattern, indicating a potential reversal in its upward trend. However, remember that patterns should be confirmed with other indicators. Identifying resistance and support levels is essential for traders. PLTR's current resistance is at $X, while the support level is at $Y. These levels can be used to establish entry and exit points. Moving averages provide additional guidance. The 50-day and 200-day moving averages reflect short-term and long-term trends. A golden cross, where the 50-day crosses above the 200-day, is generally viewed as a bullish signal. Let's now discuss potential future targets for PLTR. Analysts suggest that Palantir has substantial growth potential. Based on current trends and market sentiment, the short-term target is estimated at $Z, while the long-term target could reach $W. Keep in mind that these are projections and not guarantees. Managing risk is crucial when investing. Given PLTR's volatility, setting a stop loss at 5% below your entry point can be a prudent strategy. It helps protect your investment from the significant losses in case of unexpected downturns. In conclusion, Palantir Technologies Incorporated, PLTR, offers an intriguing opportunity for investors. While it has seen recent price movements and chart patterns, always remember that the stock market is dynamic and influenced by various factors. That concludes our analysis of Palantir Technologies Incorporated, PLTR, share price. Prior to making any investment decisions, it's essential to conduct thorough research or consult with a financial advisor. Stay informed about the latest news and market trends. Thank you for joining us today, and happy investing.